Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, here we are with another, well, I don't want to say surprise. I guess it is a surprise. I purchased another Beetle. One wasn't enough. I bought a Baja version, a 1973. That's already lifted, got the Baja kit on it. It needs a lot of work, don't get me wrong. I got it cheap, but it runs good. And this way I don't have to tear apart the 76, but I don't know if I'm going to keep both or not. We'll see. I'm going to fix up the 76, but still doing the headliner. I ordered a lot of parts for it, and I'm going to make sure it's taken care of. And I'll either sell it or not, I'm not sure. I don't know if I want to keep both or not, but I'm going to show you the new 73 I just picked up. The rear bumper is hideous. That'll be coming off first. The wiring needs to be all redone. New air breather, some other stuff on the motor, maybe a better exhaust. Got a console. Probably missing the speakers and whatever else. It's got the windows that open on the sides. It needs some new panels. It's got a little spot on the floor there. This side is good. And the front is good, so I think that's a typical spot for these cars. But I'll buy the panel and I'll patch that up. Someone did take the seat out, which is fine with me because I'll never put anybody in the back anyway. The headliner is there, not like the other one that doesn't have it, but they didn't do such a great job putting it in, so I'll either try to clean it up, make it look better, tighten it, or take it out and we'll see how I do with the other headliner, and maybe I'll do the same on this one. I started peeling some of this tint off. It was disgusting also. This has to come off. It's got like wood screws in it. Tires are a little dry. I like the front bumper on it. That'll stay. It'll get new blinkers. It'll get new headlights, new headlight rings. I will sand it all down and repaint it. There really is no rust on the outside. Very, very minor, say, surface imperfections. Nothing's rotted through, except for the floor. He did give me an extra hood for the Baja, which I think I actually like. I may switch them and use this one versus this one that's kind of plain. So there you go. A second Beetle. The other one's still here. Any interest in it, I'll sell it for the right price. Okay, that's it for the rear bumper that I wanted to take off. Gonna have to go pick up a new battery. That's next. Alright, I ripped a bunch of wiring and some old air horns out, and I found that some old rusty tools under the seat, a voltmeter, some old rug, piece of headliner, and I started pulling all the wiring that didn't need to be here, except for the headlights in the front, which is really a mess. So I'm probably going to end up with a wiring kit. I started cleaning, I don't know if you want to call this the firewall, but the front trunk area, I wiped it all down. I actually used like engine degreaser to get it off because it looked black. It was all, you know, all of this wiring is a mess. I took the stereo out. There was a stereo sticking out of there. I don't know if it works. This stereo here, I might test it, but either that or I'll buy a new one. I've been taking the tint off the windows. Actually, it works pretty good with like a, I don't know, this Bowline lubricant I'm using. It actually takes the tint off pretty good. I took it off there. I started cleaning up back here. This is where I got some of that headliner out. It's really bad, so it's probably going to all come out. There's a platform here instead of a rear seat, which actually I'll keep because I'm really not going to put nobody back there anyway. And then I noticed this behind the rug. Anyone knows what is this? It looks like a coil. But the coil, if you follow the wire, is grounded, the center coil wire, which is kind of weird. Then it's got some wiring going to this Omni pack. I guess I'll look that up, see what this all is, and what is it doing in here. I would just basically put the coil back on the outside like the other one has. Very odd. They're saying the headline is kind of shot. Back panels. The floor is going to need to be patched. This side's got surface rust, but it's actually pretty solid. You can see I took the radio out. I wanted to see if I can get to the headlight wires, because if I end up buying the rewiring kit, I got to get to that switch. So I'm sure the radio is going to have to come out anyway. More than likely this dash pad's going to come out because it's all cracked, and it actually looks better without it. So I'll probably rip that off. All the speaker wires that were running through underneath and back into here are gone. I went today and picked up a new battery at Walmart because the other one really wouldn't take a charge. It's missing the plate I see over the shifter, and I see some kind of hose actually hitting it. I'm not sure what that hose is for. I'll have to follow it through and see what that is. I don't know what that is. Might have something to do with that Omni pack. There's a lot of wires going to it. It looks like a wiring nightmare. Looks like this is the cover for it. It says Bosch. If anyone knows what that is, please comment below and let me know. But it's underneath this platform. And I believe it's got something to do with that. So, any advice on that would be great. See, I oiled up this fly window and it actually works pretty good. The other side I haven't gotten to move yet. Not move. So I've been oiling it and oiling it and oiling it. Right. I'm gonna finish taking off this tint from the windows, and we'll see what we're gonna do next.